there.
I
My
have
little
the
break
annoying.
over. What?
I have the annoying problem that switching technologies.
Mm.
The old one had a render glitch that looked cool.
Ah,
Like, no. Where's my sprite overlap that makes it look like segments? No. Oh,
nice.
you're like, why does this look different? Oh wait, you fixed the bug.
Yeah. Ah.
Well, at least I have shadows now. Shadows.
I mean, you can probably make it look like segments anyway.
Yeah, now I have to put work into it.
Ah, okay. So then it's not worth
Yeah.
it.
No, exactly. I just have to get used to it. No one else will know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I might tweak it later. Because I do think I could. By tweaking the sprite.
I'm getting water. Slowly but steadily. So I am probably gonna make cloud spawn a little bit bigger. Oh! It looks like if you let this run like it's cloudy and it's raining. Yeah, probably. I'm also gonna do so like it spreads. Like if it rains on a on a tile already with water, it tries to find like as if it's pushing the water away, right? But I'm not gonna do it too far because it's gonna be quite performance intensive.
How often is it raining?
What?
Quite a lot. How often is it raining? Quite a lot, I guess.
Every part of a cloud has 1,000th of a chance every second. But
Yeah,
if there's a lot of clouds, then it's not a problem.
I guess your processing ticks are also during your graphical
Actually,
ticks.
I am gonna close this because it's getting a little bit laggy. So I'm wondering if this will clear it. Clear whatever problem I was having, or maybe I need to restart the computer. Oh, having so many technical issues while doing this. I even had OBS crash. Oh.
It's how it works. It's fate.
Everything goes wrong when it shouldn't. Tool, no, top bar. I think that's where I have it. Yeah. Let's make at least that they're 4 and they can become up to the size of 50. I think that's a good volume. And actually, let's make them possible to be huge, and they are a minimum of 8 big, and then we can increase the chance for how often they spawn instead. I think. Not just double as often, or half as often. That's probably good enough. Oh right, and then tile, no, cloud. So what we want is vector I potentials for right. So do while part tile map get tile part no, vector 2i current equals part. This becomes like a Digikistress algorithm or something in that style. Get terrain, get name. Oh. Get name equals. Oh wait. Do while. How do I want to do this? Let's just do true, and we do if part no if current can get terrain can switch to water, which water can't, then we found what we want and we return U. Otherwise we return part and they will check, oh I can't, and then it's fine. And let's do return tile map. Ooh. Tile map, get tile. Otherwise, oh, let's see. If you're doing this, let's say you're at most allowed to do 128, I think. Yeah, so 128 tests. So we'll do int counter equals 0. Counter plus we can do as long as counter is less than counter plus plus is less than we want on this side. It's less than 128. So we will test 128 tiles around us. Can switch to water, return tile, and if that doesn't work, if we can't switch to water, if tile and potentials empty, get tile get name equals water, then we'll add the neighbors. Like this. Like this, and oh yeah, I need visited. Standard vector 2i visited. Equals current plus dir. Let's see, current, current Potentials pop back. I guess that works. Oh, I can't pop front, right? No, I don't care. Current visited, push back, current. Did you mean tile map? Where? Cloud.hpp, let's include tile. Oh, I need to, okay. I think I already know a meta for my game. I will have to do. Alright, let's move you. Reduce flickering. Oh, that one is gonna get destroyed as soon as there becomes water. crash. Good that I'm doing this. Part. Why is -1? Shouldn't be able to. Create cloud. Oh, wait, what? Oh, so okay. So when I am okay, cloud. Yeah, tile map. Generate parts. When I'm generating parts, I'm not checking if tile map is inside neighbor. If it's not, continue. That's good. Good. I'm testing. Maybe I need beta testers for this.
Loop it.
But right now I haven't built it in Windows, so I have no idea like what work I need to do to get it to work on Windows.
It shouldn't be that far away. But
What?
it shouldn't be that far away from a Windows release.
No. But it's still like I need to restart and build it and so on.
Yeah.
So, but I like there start by just building a lot of power plants to get your economy up going. Like here's the pro strats of my game. Man, I want to add hotkeys.
I mean, some hotkeys are gonna be easy.
Well, yeah, I guess, but it's unnecessary work.
Yeah.
There.
Won't know.
This is No, this is not Pittsburgh, but like. Oh no, it's the Midwest, I think. So yeah, just building a bunch. Now, time to build atmo plants. I'm having a bit of fun, actually.
Isn't that the intention?
Surprising.
I mean, in the game.
Yeah.
So, that's when you're... Find some wood, knock on it, so that you won't get into a annoying bug.
Well, I mean, I'm testing it right now to make sure everything is fine. And this will be enough. Now we'll stock up on some energy. Oh well, no, we'll keep building. Oh wow, I think that is that water lagging? Maybe it is. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. So water is causing quite a bit of lag. Fine. Let's see. Like, yeah. Ugh. Yeah, okay. Water is causing it to lag a lot. Oof. I think that's whenever it rains on another water province. So what is it? Like, if I can switch to that, then return. Otherwise, go through directions. If we make you the counter, you're only up to do it up until 18. Thank you, Lupus. Wait, did I compile? I mean, I should also turn on optimizations later, but yeah. Where's Ohio? Oh, I don't have the Great Lakes. I should probably add those. Or no, they're just gonna make getting water there annoying, I think.
I mean, they're just inlet lakes.
And I kind of realized I kind of had distributed like load because of the randomness of clouds and buildings, like when they actually output shit. So it should be fine performance-wise there, I think. The only worry is like rain, I think. Like when it does rain, I think it will cause lag. What is this lag? Ah! Let's have a there. How often do we? Okay, there. Oh, we get in here quite often. So this is can switch if. Oh no, right. So what I want is there, because essentially potential. This should not happen often. So it might not be that's lagging. There, that happened. And we're adding our neighbor. We check he's not in there. Then we add him. And then we increase the counter. And then we pop, and then we see, oh yeah, he can switch. Are you maybe heavy? You shouldn't be that heavy to copy, but Let's try. Let's get rid of you, because now we have you. And then we have get terrain. I can switch to water. Yes. Alright, we do like this. We don't. Yeah. Maybe it's the computer's dying or something. I don't know. It was nice to see the progress and all that effort. Thank you, Lupus. Constant. Let's see make. Ooh. 190. Ooh. That's true. So what we'll do is this. And that will be fine. A thing I want to test is, yeah, CMake. And where's the flags? Here. Let's add. Oh wait, maybe it does that by itself. Let's. Where are you? Debug. No, I don't want to do debug. CMake. Let's do release. Let's see how the game fares. Release mode. Yeah, it seems a lot smoother now. Not sure if it's the if it was the logging or what it was. Then I'm gonna add up more than 18. Let's. What is it? 4 to the power of 4 is 256. That's a little bit too far. 4 to the power 2 3 64. So it will check 64 tiles. There we go. Oh, I'm just gonna cheat myself some energy. Energy CPP. 100. Let's see how much it can handle when I'm running on release. And now, maybe just let it run. Let's build some in the middle of the ocean as well. Or well, not in the middle of it, but where there will be ocean. Oh, there is a little bit of a lag. I guess I can solve it by making things move slower, I guess. Or I could make it so only one cloud is allowed to move each tick. That might help things. So we only update one cloud a second. Or something like that, where we distribute it a lot more. Question is... exactly what is lagging? Can I... can I attach the profiler? Prof help. Yay as prof. No, what else is it called then? Linux profiler. Perf, that's the... or actually, maybe there's integration. Pref. Sorry, I sneezed. This is it. Right, let's do yay as perf. Oh, it's already installed. Right, perf. Been a while since I used it. I wanna. Can I? Goal is to get homeostasis up to 100 and 0 is game over. Yep, that's basically it. And then at 50 I'm gonna introduce more problems for you to solve. So when you hit 50, basically. Oh, let's perf attach to PID. Perf record P system monitor. I have 2 discourse running. Ludum Dare. It's only using 28 megabytes of RAM. That's kinda nice. Find PID. PID of Ludum Dare 46. So then perf record P 54524123. There. So now we are recording. Oh, I forgot the G. G. There we go. Ooh, that increased the lag by a lot. Let's see what it is that's slowing things down. Ooh, it might actually be updating the texture now that I think about it. It's being done so many times. Probably being done every frame, isn't it? No, not every frame. It shouldn't. Well, we'll see. Close some things down. I have a lot of things running in the background. There. Perf report. Let's have a look. Nvidia Core is taking the most, yeah. Oh, I don't. Yeah, because because it's bleh. I need to rebuild. So let's do release with debug information. Let's build. And then we'll do it without the debugger. Run without debugging. There. And when we hit the lag, that's when I'll start recording. I mean, I'm only updating the game like once a second, so it shouldn't be that like laggy, I feel. Hey man, how's it going? Okay. Yeah, that is weather. Give me a second. I'm testing things right now. But yeah, this is clouds, and that's water. Water. So yeah, welcome back, Paddlers. I'm trying to right now figure out what it is that is slowing down the game a lot, because there's gonna be occasional like laggy behavior. I think it's when there's enough clouds for it. I must be doing something stupid somewhere. So I'm gonna be trying to figure out what that is. What is this for? This is for Ludum Dare cornflakes. Am I getting the... Yeah, I'm getting the lag now, right? A little bit. A little bit of a jump. Let's put some more here. Try and get it out. Like, really rough. Really stress test this. There, let's now pit of Ludum Dare. 526024 G. There, now it's recording. Let's do something like this. Yeah, now I really feel it. Boop. Yeah, there's really a jump now. Oh man, that's a big cloud over Japan, right? Or oh no, it was the perspective that made that. Yeah, it's not that big. Oh man, I just realized a problem I don't know how to solve with my current capabilities and the interface. How do I tell the player that humans are causing homeostasis to go down? I don't really have a way to say that.
You gotta show where the humans are then, I guess.
Yeah, no, I will show where they are, right? Like, they will have a different... I will make so they look a little bit different on the interface, right? But I don't know, how do I tell them that
humans are bad?
Yeah.
Well, you can make a little story when they first pop out and where they first do a thing.
Oh man. Yeah, but then I need to make a pop-up window or something then for that.
You need it for the intro anyway,
yeah.
So.
And
But are you gonna make when humans pop up? Are they gonna pop up in a specific location?
nah, I'm probably gonna make it random.
I mean, like a random.
Oh no, I'll take it'll pop a random ruin, right? Like I'll place out some ruins on the map, and
bunker.
then they'll take, like I'll make Paris, New York, and stuff like that ruins, and they'll pop out from one of those.
Wouldn't those be less likely to have survivors?
Nah, I think it makes sense. I think it works.
Yeah, it's fun. But do you have a sort of way to select a tile? You'll see that happening.
Yeah, I have. If you look,
maybe you want the humans to start spreading pollution, and that's like a green cloud or whatever, something visual.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, if I don't have too many things here, I can have it here. But I'm probably not gonna do more clouds, right? Like, I think this clouds is the bottleneck right now in performance. Sure. I might need to make them rain faster. That might solve things. And now we report. Let's have a look. What is it? A renderer draw is taking up a lot of performance. Cloud get parts is also one of the big ones. The Sacked, thank you for the follow. You can make a human count to show how many there are. Yeah, well, I guess I could. Everyone knows that humans are bad. No need to tell. It's getting dark. Man, time really flies.
Yeah.
Pre-alpha Vic 3, yes, exactly. So, get parts is actually one of the slower things. Why are you slow? What, like, you're taking up, get parts is taking up 2%. That is a lot. Cloud.hppp. Get parts. Oh, oh dear God, it's a copy. Oh shit. Oh, no wonder. Holy fuck. This is why. Yeah, and then I keep, and every time I'm checking if a tile has. Oh man. But
you're doing things. You're doing
yeah, that's why then this has cloud. This function check get parts so many times. Oh. And then let's have a check in render draw. You're taking up a lot. Renderer draw. You're taking up a lot of performance. Oh, but that is because it's doing a lot of like operations for. Well, no, it's only the globe, right? Oh, maybe. Oh no, right, because I'm doing that manually. So if I go to Earth and I make Earth have less, because right now it's very detailed. If I make it less detailed,
less polys, you mean?
Yeah, less polys.
Yeah, I think you have a lot of polys there. Yeah.
Yeah, I have 256 by 256 by 256, something like that. It's not a lot, but I'm doing everything manually, which does make things slower. So yeah, that was. So now, let's have a look. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Run without debugger, like this. And we'll do the same thing again. I'm not gonna implement a save system because holy shit, that's gonna be a mess. Well, I could just save the texture and then rebuild the data from there.
Extra feature.
Yeah, no. I'm not gonna. You have one go.
Or you just try again.
No, but I mean like you can't do save. I mean, you're not gonna do saves. And remember that is Great Britain. Well, I'm gonna make Britain rain a lot because I think that's fitting.
We're having the fun of selecting some fonts.
Oh, like I had before.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, that's a very cloudy Great Britain.
That's classic. Some might say censor. What, you don't like my phallic Great Britain? I think it's perfect just the way it is. I might make it so it's... I'm probably gonna make it so it spawns less clouds. But yeah. And one more for good measure. Is there any way I can read core gameplay loop? I didn't. I have it written up, but not in the so you can get access to it in chat. I can go through it while I'm gonna start this again. Pit off. See if there's anything else that is like super obvious. I mean, I made. Though I probably can't have this one to be this small. Like, it's super... Like, the artifact is super harsh now, I think. What do you think? Yeah, the artifact is a bit...
Yeah, maybe somewhere in between, right? But, like, we can see here... Like, let's do this. We're gonna be recording you. Right, so let me go through the core gameplay loop. Keep it alive. So you are a satellite. Well, core gameplay loop is your building stuff, I guess. But like you are a satellite, you're derelict of humanity, and you're given you have a one directive that survived the passage of time for you, which is to restore Earth back into being like a functional ecosystem. And essentially, what your point is, you're supposed to get homeostasis up to 100. If it hits 0, you get game over. Same thing with energy. If it hits 0, you get game over. And you're gonna have more things to be able to build. At around 50 homeostasis, I'm gonna put it so the or maybe earlier, the humans appear from ruins, which is gonna be one of the tiles. Like Paris and New York and so on, I'm gonna make into ruins, and they will essentially start destroying Earth again. So you get it up to a point where humans can come out of their holes, and then they start destroying things for you, and then you have to deal with that. I'm gonna have like, so you can spend 50 energy to nuke a place, for instance. So it's gonna be a game about terraforming, and I'm trying to gamify it, I guess. Let's have a power plant up here as well, and here. Oh, there's still jumps. Might be better when if I make clouds spawn less. But I'm gonna see what's lagging. I'm gonna let it run for a while. Let's just drop some chemical weapons in New York. So essentially, what could say is, you know how like city builders games usually have like, oh, you can do disaster and so on. I'm trying to make that into a fun gameplay part. Yeah, this is a little bit bad. Let's run a little bit more. Bam. Let's move you. Yeah. So rather, the entire all of sea levels have they're just gone, right? So you the first thing you're doing is like reintroducing proper atmosphere. Which makes it rain. And then we wanna perf report. There we go. Draw is still taking a lot. Has Cloud is still very expensive. Been a while since I used this perf. Zoom into Ludum Dare. You? What the hell are you? Probably something optimized. Nvidia, I'm rendering things very inefficiently, so Nvidia is just like taking up so much time as well. Let's have a look here. Render, draw, renderable. I'm not copying anything here by mistake, right? Constant standard vector, indices. Well, the transform is being copied, but yeah, you should be cheap. Earth. Let's make you big again. Wait, like call 128 plus 64, 192. 92. That will probably look cool. But it's spending a lot on. It's comparing for auto. Okay. Renderer. So we're doing, and then here jumps back. I think vertex position. So this is actually taking a lot of time. Going through all indices, fetching the vertex, and then rendering it. But this should be a copy. No, this shouldn't be a copy, so this should be fine. You should be fine. Oh, well, you guys can see. Let's do like this. Like that. And remove you. So... yeah, we're going into this. So just make it text-based. But I mean, this shouldn't be that slow. I mean, I could tell it used scale vertex 3FV. Vertex position. Like this, but I don't know how much performance that's gonna save me. I doubt it's gonna save me any, right? And then the same here. One thing we can optimize is U, so it gets a little bit better packed memory. And we're not gonna use the normal. Here, and no, this is the wrong one. We want, wait, and place back for there, temp vertices. Here we go, and then we can take U. Radius inverse. Oh, I'll remove U. Oh, vertex.cpp. Just remove U. There we go. That's done. Renderer. Yeah, we don't need you. But I don't think there's any way I can make this actually go faster. I mean, I guess it might be that I'm getting a lot of cache misses because these are not in an order that might be memory friendly. I could remove, and I'm doing that there's no shared vertices. which does make things worse. Q. Let's have a look at you. Annotate. So what's the expensive part here? Tile map has cloud. For each cloud. Oh, right. When a cloud is completely empty, I don't kill it. So that will just keep accruing. Maybe that will help a bit. If cloud get parts is empty. No, empty. Dead clouds. Push back cloud. No, like this. Get. And then, well, we make you standard vector constant cloud, just like this. Dead clouds. And then dead clouds for auto dead clouds. Well, no, we can do that because you're a normal pointer. And then we do my clouds erase, macros find, macros find cloud, no, my clouds cloud, no, dead, like that. What's wrong? Oh well, that's a lot of errors. Whole is this like yeah, okay, so it doesn't like this. Let's just for auto cloud my clouds if cloud equals dead, then if that's true, then my clouds erase, macros find. Wait, I can do. Fuck it. Oh, I'm just gonna get it to work. My clouds cloud. No, that's problematic. So yeah, I need to do iterators. So the iterator it my cloud begin as long as it is not my cloud's end, it plus plus. If it equals dead, then erase it break. That should work. Oh, we can do like this, get. Or use erase if. Yeah. Like that. So now maybe that will solve it. So at least I couldn't see in has clouds any reason that would make it so much slower. I'll double check. And we'll we'll get some more down. I'm assuming it's flickering a lot because now I have a lot of windows behind here. Let's zoom up. Hey Grugi, what will happen to Crown Land bonus if your nation has no state and has factions there? You get nothing. You don't get any Crown Land bonuses at all. I think we're at a good state now, just one more, and then I'm gonna start performance testing. Boop. And let's move you here. Pit off. 530649. And maybe one more in the Atlantic, like here. What's a dark blue tile below Sicily? That's Malta. Someone complained that I didn't have Malta, so I made it a glass terrain. I'm gonna be redoing a lot of the terrain here tomorrow. So like Himalaya mountains and so on. And maybe I'll have so like clouds can't move into, so to make things a little more interesting, right? So like clouds can't move past mountains and stuff like that. There, I'm not sure if it's lagging because of the clouds or because I added the profiler. Because it didn't lag until I did that. So let's have one more here. Oh no, let's just store up a bunch of energy and we'll let it run. Let's see, water returning. Man, though, covering all of the Pacific with water is not gonna work. You're probably gonna win the game before that. You'll get mountains of cheese for Switzerland. I also settle for chocolate. No, it's just gonna be boring old mountains. Man, that does look cool. Oof. Run, yeah, and there. And perf report. Let's have a look. Render draw has clown. All right. Annotate. Yeah, I don't think we can do anything for the render draw. I think that's like the way I'm doing things is just gonna be bad. So yeah. Yeah, we get looping through. Render draw. Blah, 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 blah. Can the planet color change over time? Yep. That's gonna be, I guess, next building I'm gonna implement is gonna be changing. Like I'm gonna do something like, I think, yeah, next building can be that if there's water next to that building, it will convert wasteland into grassland or something. I don't know. And we should. More and more grand strategy weather simulator. Yep, basically. Yeah, I can't see anything here. I can't see anything that can be optimized. Mainly it is a comparison here. For auto. We're checking. Yeah. And then we have has cloud. Oh. Let's has cloud. So we go through every cloud, and then we ask to fetch its parts. And if this position, but I think this is basically we're calling has cloud too much. Find all references. Do you actually work? Yeah, you do. Nice. You are used. Alright. We go through all. Oh, wait. And then we push back potential. So Right, this is for generating them. So all potentials, and we take the random, and then we keep going. I mean, I guess I don't have to regenerate you every time, right? I think. Right? Yeah, because I check if you're already in there, and if so I should generate parts, potential. So we should do like this. I think that will save a little bit of performance. Cloud.hppp. You're doing classic for 8 hours, right? So no, I'm doing the 72. I'm doing the 72. This is my first one, so I felt like, oh, I'm gonna do it like this, like that, because I also know myself. I overextend, which I already have. So yeah, so we have you there. We already know. Generate parts. And we don't want you to be constant, so we reuse you. That should help us, because then we don't have to check. We have you cloud here, and we can early out there. So this will help. And then we take a potential. Oh, we just need to remember to remove it from the potential. Potential erase. Erase. Yeah, potential begin plus random. There, so we remove you. That should help. Then we have you, new pos. This is when we're drifting. Do I have a way? So this is all of these parts we want to drift. And if there's no cloud there, are all also, if tile map is inside new pos, if it's not, if it has one, continue. I'm gonna write it in this way instead. Then we can drift. And we don't need to do the inside check, because we've already done that. I don't have any can drift. I mean, if I have calculated can drift, right, I can just push that on. Though, because I've moved, it might have changed. I might be able to optimize this by doing a check on my... Right, yeah, I can do if macros contain. I can, because they're more likely that I'm gonna collide with one of my own, so I can do my parts, and they will have been, if they have drifted, they will have been added to my parts. So new pos. If I contain that, continue. Yeah, so that is one way to optimize it. And if there's nothing that can drift, we just do this. Then we have you. Has cloud, calculate color. So every time we calculate color, we calling has cloud, but that we can't get away from. But I think also calculate color is not used in all of places. This is the definition. I mean, I am gonna do this just to speed things up a bit. And then we have Yeah, if there is one we can't generate, let's increase generation a bit more. I like the chance of it. Since we can get quite big ones. Oh, subcommand failed. Generate parts. Alright. Cloud.cpp. Generate parts. Here. Standard vector, SF vector. 2i potentials. Like that. Should be using VBOs instead of... I should be. That's what I actually should be, but I decided it was just faster to just use immediate. Otherwise I have to build a whole like backend or like micromanage pointers, well, IDs left and right, and I didn't feel like doing that. So I just stayed with immediate mode. Hopefully I don't hit 0. Oh well, I don't have a game over screen yet, so I guess that doesn't matter. And let's get some atmosphere going. Ooh, I almost hit 0. I think I'm just about fine. And let's get some going here. And also, like, this is a bit of a stress test because the player shouldn't be building this many. So I guess it's a good way to test that things work as we want them to. But maybe probably in October. I think they're moving the time frame as well in October. I might actually do it in October. Like to do the actual comp. I think that would be fun. At least try. Let's have a look. I mean, it does feel a hell of a lot smoother. I think I built as much as before, like even more than before. Let's get you up to 0.2 to be on the safe side. Or I probably can't get it up to 0.2, but yeah. Oh, I have so much energy as well. I can actually do this. There. Now we have more than we've ever built before. Don't forget New Zealand. I think I have built there, but we can do this, and we'll build some power plant in there, and one here. Right. One more here. There we go. And then we'll build a power plant. I am gonna and we wanna see Pete off. You are 32984, and now we're recording. So now let's. How does it feel? Like it is smoother. It is definitely smoother. Oh, I still have plenty of. Okay. So we'll. No! Oh, I accidentally built power plant. That's not what I wanted. Ah! Oh, no. There. Now we can't build more. Oh, there's a lag. There's some lag. What's the weird blobs? It's your screen. It's your interface glitching. Oh, crash. What is this crash? Counter is 1. Current. Ooh. If tile map. What function is this? Find rain on tile. Okay. That one doesn't care about clouds though. Is inside. Current. So try to rain outside of things. Alright. If inside current. If it's not, then continue. And let's just skip. It did feel hell of a lot better, but I don't know if the report is has any value now. You have gone down at least. Annotate. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get it better than this. Then the next, yeah, then it's just these OpenGL stuff. Like everything else is so much more like there's not really any problems in the game because it's a very simple game. Yeah, trying to get tile -1. And I don't know what you are. You are though scary. Well, maybe it's because the crash it doesn't show you. Has cloud. Annotate. Let's have a look just for old time's sake. Has cloud. Let's go. Auto, par, cloud, get parts. it won't help if I fetch, like, it's not gonna call this every time, right? It's gonna fetch the iterators. For out to cloud. I don't know. I don't think this matters. But yeah. I mean, it's a lot of parts. I have a lot less clouds than before. I could make it so clouds cover several. Not that the parts. Yeah. Let's do that. Cloud. Toolbox. And then that will have to be it. I think that's the best way to optimize. It's just the clouds will cover nine tiles. Like one part will be nine parts. And I think I can do that easily. Has cloud, right? Because there, and then we lower you to 10. And what we do is has cloud, because then when we're checking parts. They're the position, the middle position. And what we check is then that and all the other ones. Hello, Kova. Can't you just update part of the class at each tick rather than all? Oh, no, I'm not updating all of them each tick. I'm not. But it's just that there's so many parts, right? I already have it distributed. But it's a lot of things in the game is checking for, like, parts, right? Like checking if, oh, am I gonna intercept with this part or not? I could do some, like, grid checks quickly. Like, am I even close to this cloud? Oh, that is... Like, can I do an early out here? Because this is, like, I'm, like, this... I could do a Manhattan distance, and if it's bigger than... Because I kind of like how the clouds look right now. Let's test this. Extra. I'll just call you Extra. Awesome name. There. And you will be... Wait, don't I have... There. Here. Essentially, we'll take this. No, that tile map, like this, and another one, and we'll do one, no, -1, 1. There. So we'll cover all of those as well. For there. And then we do 4. And then I could do an early out, right? Here. When is the end of the game jam? That is for the comp. I'm doing the game jam. So I have until tomorrow on me. Because I kind of knew I would get into something like this where we get stuck on things because I want to do things more complex than they have to be. So first we want to do an early out on the part. If part minus pos. How do I... Part x minus pos x is more than 2. More than 1. Oh, but then I if I do this, I need to check on every part. Yeah. So what I'll do instead, I'll do top bar CPP. Let's get you up to 100 again, and you 100. Or like, no, what was you? You were 100. You were only 20. Let's put you at 40, 50. And then here we'll do an early out, right? When we're doing these. So if the distance between this and I can have 100 parts. So if it's more than 100, or if part Y is because then we can just abort the entire thing. Because then we're pretty sure we will not be intersecting. Can you just use separate indent to do the lookup in? I'm not sure how you mean. Mushy, what do you mean? Set pair indent. But yeah, part Y minus plus Y. Just keep a set with all pair of points with a cloud. I mean, right now it's ray, right? Though I could do. Wait, it's not gonna be. Tango 172. Thank you for the follow. Actually, the map is. How much memory is this gonna be? Shabra, thank you for. Actually, I can cheat. I don't need to do this. I don't need to loop through them because I already have that data. My color cache. I just need to get pixel because I've already registered it here. Auto color plus X plus Y because that's why I have the cache. Let's just comment this out. And then we do return color blue is not 0. Then there's a cloud. Done. Boom. Oh wait. And I think this will just work. Yeah, ease optimization. What software are you using now, and what is your OS? This is Visual Studio Code, and the operating system is Arch Linux. Because like that color cache is what I use to upload to the texture to video RAM memory to render all of this. So like this is one draw call, this is one draw call. This this is actually more heavier. Well, this is heavy because it's the immediate, but otherwise it's pretty efficient in rendering this. If it just wasn't for like the vertices here, like the amount of them. Because now this should be extremely efficient. It shouldn't even appear in performance test. Man, look at this performance! What do the maps do? Ah, it's just the thing you're interacting with. Or what do you mean? I'm just checking. Discord did crash. There and man, I found the best optimization. Like I've been going through the performance of the game, and I just found like, oh, all of this is already calculated for free. I don't actually need to do it.
What were the things that you could reuse?
Let's see, let's get some more built. I don't know if I have more or less. I don't remember which value we had this at. I've not seen much of these streams. That's the type of optimization. Yeah. So essentially, you know, you're terraforming Earth. You're still here?
Yes. Can you hear me? Hello? I don't think
And now
you
I
can
have the
hear
debugger
me.
attached as well. It's a goal to make the helmet accessible. The goal is to get it to 100. And I'm gonna be adding roadblocks for that as well. So it's not gonna be this easy to just get the value up. I'm gonna give you nukes, a bit of that. How long is Ludum Dare again? So like the competition is yeah, been yeah, I see above. But I'm also like, I'm not taking part in the competition. I'm doing the 3-day jam. So I have until I also have tomorrow on me. This is C++, right? Yep. There's no engine, there's no nothing. I've just been making things myself. So yeah. Go. Let's have a look. I don't directly see any problem, right? Let's, to be sure, we'll attach the profiler. 5, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. I should learn C++. It's not a hard language to learn. It's just really annoying. I have other languages I like a lot more. Have you muted Discord? I talked to, but you didn't hear. No, I don't hear him at all.
You don't hear me?
Oh.
Maybe chat does.
Oh, he is talking, but I don't hear.
Yes.
Oh, talk?
I'm talking.
Ah, there we go. Okay, no. I had tweaked the volume for some reason on my headset. But yeah, did you hear what I said about the performance?
Yeah. I even had a question. Like, so what did you?
So isn't
What was
like
the main thing?
Number? I mean, so the main thing was like the clouds and everything checking. Like, oh, is there a cloud on this tile? Can I move in there? Or like, can I spawn a cloud? Which was costing a lot of performance. But
Yeah.
I now, like, as I was trying to optimize that and so on, I realized, holy shit, right? I have the image, right? The texture I'm loading up to, and that one has like on this pixel, there's a cloud or not in order to render it.
Yeah.
So I just checked that one.
It's your
so it's order one,
database.
right? Yeah. So that's
your
order
texture database.
Yeah. I mean, so in essence, if I need to check, like, is there... Well, no, the buildings, the tiles hold the information if there's a building, so I don't have to do that for them. But yeah, this works. Right now I'm doing one last performance test to just see, like, does HasCloud or anything else, like, pop up now? Because now it's just, it's smooth. It's silky smooth.
Just do everything on the GPU.
Well, it's not doing...
Oh, texture. I know, it's all memory.
Yeah. I already know C#, so hopefully that should help. Yeah, it probably will.
Yeah, the main difference is pointer arithmetic and memory management.
Mm-hmm.
Aside from that.
Is there a reason why you don't use Unity or something like that? I just don't know Unity. I was planning to learn it before this, but I couldn't get the time to do it, so... But I mean, so probably, hopefully, in October, I'll have learned Unity, and then I'll probably use Unity or some other tool. I'll use a tool next one, and then I'm probably gonna try and do the 2 days one. But I don't think I like when I'm doing everything from scratch, or if Crystal, my favorite language, if they have managed to get the compiler to work 100% on Windows, then I might use my own engine. Or framework, or whatever you would want to call it. And then I can do 3D and stuff like that. Oh, someone... Yeah, I think you got me muted or so, I hear you. Yeah, okay. Yeah. A precious hydrocarbon
everyone
life...
here,
Oh,
for,
I love
Cash.
that text. I love that
you,
text. A precious hydrocarbon life form. Oh man.
Yes, it's my precious. You know,
Wait, why
it's your
are
little thing you gotta protect.
Didn't I just build one? Oh, I've almost reached 100 now. Didn't I build one to get down to 0.5? Oh no, right. So yeah, some of them are probably getting destroyed by water. Right, yeah, that makes sense. That's why it went up. Yeah, but yeah, this is really smooth. So this gives me an idea how I can get the water to be filled in better as well. Boop. And boop. And boop. Let's have a look at performance then. Captured 74 megabytes of RAM, of performance data. Perf report. I'll have to go. Thank you, Lupus. Let's have a look. Oh! Now it's literally only Nvidia. Like, now it's literally only the graphics that is slowing the game down. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, it's not until. Oh no, that's still graphics. That's still graphics. The gameplay of the game, like there's some beauty in this. Gameplay is less than a percent of the game. Like in performance. There, tile gets building is the first one. Oh man.
That's tiny.
Yeah.
You just need more logic, more heavy logic.
Oh wait, I can see here in the main call, it is 0.12% all of the children under main, which is the entire game. Oh.
Yeah, gem games don't do that much.
No. I'm happy with this.
And also you're very bare to the bone.
Yeah. Are you gonna make it so that you can restore the wasteland? Yep, that is the next step, I guess. So I think the next part is gonna be, well, first we're gonna have a water plant, which should just work out of the box. So we can remove you here, and then we go to top bar, and water plant will just literally be like a power plant, but it requires water. Water plant, and we'll do. It'll use the power plant image for now. It will cost 15, but it will have way less effect on the environment, and it will give you a lot more energy. Wait. So calc. Let's have a look here now. It's. Oh yeah. I should also. Energy. We don't want to start with 100. We're supposed to start with 20. Let me think. So U times 3. That's 6. So we'll make you generate 8. You're a little bit better. Right. Remove you. Water plant, and then we go to water. No, tile map, and we go to, where are you? Where is Slimy Grub? Thank you for the follow. Where do I set up terrain? Set up terrains. And here we have water. Wait. Oh yeah. So ocean bed can turn into water, and in water we can build water plants. Are you gonna, just so you're aware, I just pushed a branch for the concert of creative. Oh, photo number, thank you. What did you push? Oh wait. There. Now we have a water plant. So what we'll start with building some power plants. We'll build 2 of them, and then we'll build an atmospheric plant in Florida. There we go. There's a cloud. Let's move you away. And water plant, yeah, 15. But you can't. Yeah, you cost 15, but I can't place you anywhere. I need water for that. So we'll build another atmospheric plant here. Extended description of the events. Nice. There we go. Then we'll build a water plant here and we'll have all of the energy we need. Oh, right. Since I'm gonna be playtesting properly, I think I'm gonna do cloud. We'll let you go to 256 because now I think we have the performance to do this because can switch to, I mean, this is a little bit slow, but I think it's fine. We're probably gonna find something. There. Let's go. Power plant. Boop. And let's do an atmospheric one here. And then another atmospheric to get things going. Or no, another power plant. Tornado incoming? Well, yeah, it's Florida, I guess, yeah. Ah. No clouds. I should probably do that the default zoom is the furthest zoomed out one. There we go, there's a cloud. Let's get one here in Haiti. Bam. Now we just want rain. Altsam, thank you for the follow. What I'll probably do is I'll have the intro screen describe what each building does, like in more detail than just the numbers. And then pressing H will always show that message or something. Probably the best. So water plant, oh, I should probably have you still affecting a bit more here. These two cancel each other out. Maybe I should have that you're a little bit more, yeah. But yeah, we have water, so now we're just waiting to get the water plant going. Trying the free mountain achievement, wish me luck. Oh, good luck with it. No, I didn't build it. Did it not click right? Ah, there we go. And oh, so much energy! And then next one is convert. I should do. Oh, well, I'm gonna do the water plant. Actually, do cause a lot of harm because it's using the water in order to produce energy or something like that. But this does work. And if we look here, yeah, and if we click, building water plant, nice. It's a little bit hard to see because of the color. So what I will do is here. Let's tweak that. Top bar. I should almost make a building database now. We will make you. So we'll make. You're a bit harsher. We'll make you 1, and we'll make you 5. Right. So these counter each other. That one, and then the next building. Actually, let's make a water building. Let's go with you. Up. Let's select you and a new image like that. And then we're gonna do this. Oh. Like that, and then we'll have white. That looks like water, right? And the next one should be it should be doing decontamination. What is a good name for that one? So it's gonna use, will be using water. It will be consuming water. Oh, maybe I should do that water plant consumes water. No. But like errors in the what are the rainbow? Yeah, errors in the satellite screen. Exactly. Oh, it's probably hopefully clearer when I have the startup message about it. But yeah. Let's decontamination plant? No. Terraforming plant? No. So this is gonna be turning. Well, while I think about that, let's paint in some mountains. There, and we do tile map. There. Mountains is 50, 50, 50. 50, 50, 50. Let's turn you on. Let's do a little bit like that. So I guess oh, I'm painting in the wrong place. There. There we go. I should I'm actually not that sure on where mountains go in Africa. And then we have the Sargos Mountains here at least. Then what I can do is that clouds can't go into a tile that has mountains. That would actually, I think that's gonna be kind of nice. I think there's here. I'm not sure on the rest. Where did you get the map from, BNFK? Well, I mean, I've had this map for a while. This is the one I've been, like, so this is what I actually play with, and then I'm using this as a, like, source. Like, I paint over to get somewhat, like, recognizable shape. Now I'm painting mountains on top of it. And then we have the Rocky Mountains here, right? Yeah. And what I'm gonna do, right, is that mountains block clouds. Have I missed any important? Oh, whatever it's called here. Right. Any other important ones? I think, well, we have Austria again. Greece is very mountainous, but... Ural Mountains, yep. Thank you. And we should probably cut down on the size of, while I'm here, cut down on the size of Greenland. Um, Sierra Nevada, those mountains are higher than Carpathian. Oh, that's the ones here, right? It's like and then yeah, I know there's a bunch of mountains here, and then there's like Galicia and here. Oh, Britain also has quite a bunch, right? Don't forget the Danish ones. Good joke. Very good joke. I don't think Danes even know what a mountain is. I don't know Australia. Like I know. I think this is a bunch of mountains, right? I think so. And then I know like which is the Highlands now? Is it the south or like man. The south has the Alps. What do you mean the south has the Alps? Do you mean here? New Zealand, I mean. So it's the south, right? I want here. Or like something like that. Then I'm not sure here. I'm not good on the. Well, New Zealand. Think about the Lord of the Rings. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's mountainous, but I don't remember. Is it both islands or is it only one of them? Is it the head of the butterfly or? I mean, this is very mountainous, but it's only an island, so I'm not gonna do it there. Yeah, this works, right? North is mountainous too, in the middle. Okay, so let's like that. I think that's good. I know Japan is mountainous, but I'm not gonna do that. There. Between Caspian and Black Sea. So between here. No. Here. Yay! The Caucasian Mountains, right? Or do you mean like here? Have you thought about looking up height map on Google or something? Just actually, no, I haven't thought about that. That's actually a good idea. Thank you, very smart man. Yeah, but I'm not gonna make the islands ones because I think that's gonna make things problematic. World height map. Let's have a look. Oh. There we go. Can we paste it in here? Oh, no. Oh wow. Did I? Oprah is not responding. Holy shit. Oh yeah, this picture is big. Oh. Yeah, I know Persia. I did put some in Zagosian Mountains and so on. Oh man, copy image. Oh man, is this gonna kill? Or maybe I can. Alright, so let's do like... There we go. Oh. Oh, it did paste it. Oh god. Oh god. And then I'm gonna have to scale it down to 640. Hello, Giga. I just pasted a gigantic map into GIMP, and GIMP is not happy. Yeah, scale layer. 640. I don't care if you get distorted. I just want something approximate. If I can actually get this to work. Wait, what? Ah, there we go. And we do 50. Oh. Here we go. Okay, so... No, so let's move you there. Right? And now... It's not even close. Right? Yeah, Anatolia is not even in the same place. So I can't use you. But what I can use is I can do it like this. I just hope it's fine. So let's start with Europe. I mean, all of the Balkans is just mountains, right? Ooh, you're big. I can't use you. This will have to do. I mean, isn't like this is. I got the important parts, right? That map was OP, too big, yeah, too chunky map. But I think this is fine, right? We have some interesting geometry at least, and we're gonna export this, Earth, replace, and just a very simple. We will do tilemap.hpp hascloud bool can cloud move into sf vector 2i pos const, and we go to hascloud, and this function will be very simple. It will just be if has cloud pos return false. Otherwise, auto tile equals get tile pos. If tile get terrain, get terrain, allow can impassable is impassable. Although I'm gonna have that water is impassable, so that I can't have that. Can cloud move? Can cloud move? Can have cloud. Can have cloud. If you are false, then return false. Otherwise, return true. So then we do terrain. And then we have here bool my can cloud move. We'll add you here. Bool be can cloud move. Bool can cloud move constant. Let's pull up chat so I can see it. Use EU for terrain map. No. I've been doing everything from scratch myself, so I'm quite happy with doing that water monster. Important parts forgets Greenland. Well, oh yeah, I should remove Greenland, right? Because this is after Greenland have like But I'm not sure how should I remove it. Should I just what well, tile map. The ones we have is wasteland, ruins, glass, mountains, ocean bed, and I'm not sure. Remove a Tank Daddy. Oh, I like that name, Tank Daddy. Oh, this was water. Set up terrains. So we'll add true, 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 false, true, true. Oh. There we go. And then we were right. I was doing the terrain stuff. Terrain. Can cloud. Wait, what did I name it? Tile map. Can cloud. Can have cloud. That's what we want it to be called. Terrain. Can have cloud. Can have cloud. Oh well, no. So floor, like, it's not that the ice has melted. The water is gone. It's just complete desolate wasteland. So it's even worse. In terrain, CPP1 will be initialized after. Yeah, I need you there. And now we have mountains. So if I put Atmoplant here, two power plants here. Oh, one more click there. Oh no! It spawns. They spawned inside. I got lucky with that spawn to see that immediately. Pay tile map. Can have cloud. We'll name you that tile map. Remove you so we get rid of flickering. Can have cloud. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, like that. And then create cloud. And then we do top bar there, and we do can have cloud. Well, if there is no water, well, it would be bigger than Mount Everest. Of course, not the highest point though. That's true, but I don't even have Hawaii on the map, so it's too small. Now that's done. Now we need to check when the cloud drift. We need to drift parts, and has cloud, can have cloud, and it will also tell us, oh no, you like there's already cloud, so no. Oh, we need to can have cloud. Where were you? Top bar. There. If you cannot have a cloud, bam. there. I think, actually, let's see, has cloud. There's only used here now, generate parts, and that can have cloud. There we go. Oh, and calculate color, has cloud, yeah. Perfect. And we'll do there, atmosphere, power plant, and power plant. Get the generation going. So what did I tweak this to? You are a 1. Yes, you are worse than what you can provide, but you are equivalent. And we want... Then we put 1 on the other side. Boom. Man, I'm having really bad luck if I'm not getting any clouds generated. Alright, chat. What parts of the world should I have glassed? I have Malta glassed. What else should be glassed? Washington, I guess? Moscow? London, yeah. Beijing. So like I have a terrain type which is glass. It's that the place has been glassed, right? Wait. Requires that you can have. What? Yeah. And then update. Alright, I'm building, and I want to build. I don't want to build in release. I want to build in debug. Let's have a top bar. One quick look here. If that tile cannot have clouds, then return. And that is true. You can have clouds if there's not already a cloud there, or the tile doesn't have a terrain that forbids it, right? And then we do, alright, so we do one Atmo here, and then power plant, and another power plant. Does one done? There we go. Look a bit funky on 3D map, or is it just, no, they do. And that's like, it's not only mountains, it's everything. The mountains is just clearer that it's funky. That's actually a bug that I decided is now WAD. Oh, and you see, now, because like I made it, clouds do not change the direction, right? So what's gonna happen now is that this mountain range will collect these clouds. But that's kind of like real life as well. That's kind of cool. There, let's build you there, so we get tons of energy, all the energy. And now let's build you here. Oh, actually, and one more in Florida. Actually, what's the highest zoom out I permit? It's camera 2D. I haven't been in this class for a long time. 0.2. And oh man. This is kind of cool. What I'll do is water plant makes this go down faster for the energy it produces. But it's still gonna be relatively better than this one, which is 0.1, 0.5. Right, so if this one is also 0.1, yeah, this one 0.1, and then I'll have the decontamination building that turns wasteland into like arable land, or whatever we should call it. We need to find out a good name for it. That one does this homeostasis a lot more, but costs tons of energy, and it needs water next it. Should I have that it consumes water? I could have that it consumes water. It needs to have water next to it, and it consumes water as it's doing it. And then we can have permanent wasteland, just like Denmark. Yeah, this is working, so that's kind of fun. Discord is down, of course. Let's open you up. So, what is that building? I think maybe I should make it even work. So, if you're 1 per 0.2, you 0.8. Hello, Joror. Have you seen my mountains?
Hello. Have you got mountains?
Yeah, and they they actually collect clouds, like in real life. Nice.
So if a cloud touches a mountain, that kind of thing, or?
Yeah, no. So like they can't go past mountains. So if you look at stream, you can see here like the clouds that are moving this way. You see how it's just collecting up here. And that's kind of like how it works in real life as well. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah, got lots of dry stuff.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm happy with that. What I'm probably gonna do is that each cloud, if a cloud part is, they are gone. Oh, it's just not being cleared properly. Oh, I've missed that somewhere. Oh. Right, I thought like it looked like there was too many clouds. So yeah, I need to solve that. I'm gonna check that it's not the selection code. Select tile, terrain palette 0, and then prev calculate color when it resets it. Yeah, so that should give me the correct result. Mine is dirty. So when terrain, cloud, cpp. But yeah, core gameplay loop is getting there. So maybe it's the drift. Wait, so when I'm drifting clear from image, when we're drifting, we clear U. So then we remove all of my parts from it. Get pixel, color, set to 0. Then you set that. And drift parts, blah 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 blah. And it's inside if my parts are there, then I can move there. So it's probably not the drifting code, it has to be the rain code. And here's all of the remove. So we make water. My parts part. We set, no, but this should keep everything clear. Maybe it's not the rain. Do rain. Let's see if I can make it happen. And top bar, we're gonna make it rain a lot, or like a lot of clouds. Oh? No, it seems to be... When I am selecting things, it disappears. D-Day, thank you for the follow, and Rusheska, thank you for the follow. So is it the select... Do they actually disappear? Or is that just me when I select it? Tile map, set selected. No. So when I click, we calculate the previous color. Right, let's do this. Oh, right. Yeah. All right. So here. So there it won't work. I kind of have to do a raw. So I need a raw, slow has cloud. Oh, tile map. I know why it's wrong now. Has cloud. Bool has cloud slow test. Sorry if you could hear my sneeze. Thank you. So I wasn't muting myself fast enough. Please, before that. Is that all I'm worth for you, lag butter? If part equals pos, return true, else return false. And this is an okay test to do when we are when we're calculating set selected here, like that. No, color auto color equals blah. So what we'll do is this color dot blue equals has cloud slow test my selected tile color and then one here for there. And that will fix that. I mean, my ears are still ringing, so not sure if I did hear you sneeze. I mean, my... did I sneeze that loud? There we go. Bam. And now if I click around... Yeah, now it... Was that you just going, yeah, you did sneeze that loud.
Oh, no, I just heard, I thought I heard my name.
Ah, no. But yeah, this is... Now this works. Guys, I think I'm deaf now. Yes, exactly what I wanted. I want specifically you deaf as well. We'll do that, and then we'll do you. No, we'll do that you are 01. Yeah, 01, and you are 03. I think relatively that means you're more beneficial, right? So it's mine 0.01 divided by 0.2. That's 0.5, and then it's 0.03 divided by 0.8. Yeah, so you are 0.375, so that should be a good balance. You are 4 times as more energy for 3 times the price, and you are 3 times more polluting. But no, you are a little less polluting relatively per building. Right, now I need a name for decontamination thingy. Do you got any ideas, Yor?
For what?
Like the building that decontaminates wasteland.
Decontaminates wasteland.
Mm-hmm.
Scrubber?
What? Scrubber.
Scrubber.
Ah, yeah,
Scrubber.
Okay.
So is it something that sends out like robots or something to clean out stuff?
Well,
or?
I'm gonna have that it use water and a lot of energy. For now, we'll use water plant, and you'll cost 50, but you'll clean up 1, and you use but you use 0.5 energy. That sounds good, right? Yeah. Volvat Cost had the same idea as you. Hello, Portels. Welcome back. So now we have Scrubber. So we'll build Atmosphere here. Then Power Plant, Power Plant. And then we have you, right? Yeah. So you are O2, you're O1. Yeah. So I might get you early, just to get the energy going, and then I can build plenty of Atmo. Then Scrubber, you will give a lot of homeostasis, but yeah. Bam. I'm gonna move you out of the way. I'm actually gonna microwave a pizza. I think it's my last pizza as well.